When it comes to high-quality cookware, Calphalon is a brand that consistently delivers exceptional performance and durability. This Calphalon signature hard-anodized non-stick 12-inch flat-bottom wok with cover is no exception. Designed for culinary enthusiasts and professionals alike, this wok combines advanced non-stick technology, versatile design, and premium materials to provide a seamless cooking experience. Whether you're stir-frying, sautéing, or braising, this wok promises to meet your needs and exceed expectations. Key features. Number 1. Superior non-stick performance. The wok boasts a 1.5's more durable non-stick interior compared to the Calphalon Classic series. The PFOA-free 3-layer non-stick coating ensures effortless food release, allowing even the most delicate ingredients to glide smoothly without sticking. This feature also reduces the need for excessive oil, making your meals healthier. Number 2. Heavy-gauge, hard-anodized aluminum construction. Constructed with heavy-gauge hard-anodized aluminum, this wok ensures even heat distribution for precision cooking. Say goodbye to hot spots and uneven cooking, as the sturdy build enhances performance and durability, promising long-term use. Number 3. Oven-safe versatility. This wok is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, enabling seamless transitions from stovetop to oven. Whether you're finishing a dish in the oven or keeping it warm before serving, this feature offers unparalleled versatility. Number 4. Metal utensil compatibility. The 3-layer non-stick interior is tough enough to withstand metal utensils, ensuring that your cookware remains scratch-free even with regular use. Number 5. Stay cool stainless steel handles. Ergonomically designed, the stainless steel handles remain cool to the touch, providing a secure and comfortable grip during stovetop cooking. Number 6. Dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Cleaning up after cooking is hassle-free, as the wok is dishwasher-safe, making it ideal for busy households or anyone seeking convenience. Number 7. Tempered glass lid. The wok comes with a tempered glass lid, allowing you to monitor your food while locking in moisture and flavors. Number 8. Compatibility with various stovetops. This wok is compatible with gas, electric, glass, and halogen stovetops, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Cooking experience. Using the Calphalon signature hard-anodized non-stick wok elevates your cooking experience. The flat-bottom design ensures stability on all stovetops, while the spacious 12-inch diameter accommodates large portions, perfect for families or entertaining guests. The even heat distribution and superior non-stick surface make stir-frying vegetables, searing meats, and tossing noodles a breeze. The wok's versatility extends to baking and roasting, thanks to its oven-safe feature. For instance, you can start by sautéing chicken on the stovetop and finish it in the oven for a perfectly cooked dish. Durability and maintenance. Durability is a standout feature of this wok. The hard-anodized aluminum construction resists warping, while the non-stick coating withstands the rigors of daily cooking. Additionally, the wok is easy to maintain, with dishwasher-safe materials that simplify cleaning. Why choose the Calphalon signature hard-anodized non-stick 12-inch wok? Number 1. Professional-level precision. This wok delivers precision and performance that meet professional standards, making it suitable for both novice and experienced cooks. Number 2. Healthier cooking options. The non-stick surface reduces the need for excess oil, promoting healthier meals without compromising flavor. Number 3. Versatility in cooking methods. From stovetop to oven, this wok handles a variety of cooking techniques, making it a versatile tool in your culinary arsenal. Number 4. Long-lasting quality. Backed by Calphalon's reputation for excellence, this wok is built to last, providing value for your investment. Customer testimonials. Many users have praised the wok for its exceptional performance, noting its even heat distribution, durability, and ease of use. Customers appreciate its ability to handle diverse recipes and its compatibility with various stovetops. Conclusion. This Calphalon signature hard-anodized non-stick 12-inch flat-bottom wok with cover is more than just cookware. It's an essential kitchen companion that delivers precision, versatility, and durability. Whether you're stir-frying, braising, or baking, this wok is designed to make every meal memorable. Its superior non-stick surface, robust construction, and user-friendly features ensure a seamless cooking experience for years to come. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.